Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, we need to go and open Snapchat as you can see over here. And so whenever we open our Snapchat app, we'll be directed to this page. And from here, what you're going to do, we'll choose our profile up to the left corner. We click on it. And now we're going to choose the settings option, which is up to the right corner as well. And now from here, we'll go down to the section which says support, and we're going to choose I need help, and we click on it and wait a few seconds until this page loading. And now we go down as well a little bit and choose contact us from here. And now we're going to choose the last option which says I want to deactivate or delete my account. And from here, easily what we're going to do, we'll choose Snapchat account portal, and from here we need to put our username or email. And so whenever we do that, we'll go to put the password, and once finishing the password, we will delete our account from Snapchat. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.